In the last lesson, we looked at ethics in operations and obviously environmental impacts and some of the environmental decisions that we would need to consider in operations. Okay, so we're just going to take it two past paper questions from this topic just now. So the first one we're going to look at is fair trade. Okay, so this question is going to be described, so remember that's a command word, the benefits of achieving fair trade certification. So why would we want to use fair trade as an organisation? Okay, that logo or that quality assurance standard. Okay. Well, first of all, fair trade certification improves the image of the organisation. Remember, it's this image part. What does a good image do? Increase their sales, increase their reputation. Maybe people want to come and work for us. Okay, so what does that do? Attracts consumers who have positive attitudes towards the products which are ethically made. Okay. The fair trade mark as well can also be used as a marketing tool, okay, to promote our business. Okay, this also shows, remember those quality standards. That trademark shows that international standards have been met. Okay, another good thing about using the fair trade thing, okay, is that higher prices can be charged for the products. Okay, therefore that increases your profits. Okay, so we can charge higher prices because more people are willing to pay for that because they know it comes from an ethically sourced method. Okay, as well as this, you also may attract staff who want to work for an ethical company. Okay, they share the values that you as a fair trade company hold, and they want to come and work for you. Therefore, that can help increase motivation and saves staff moving from our organisation. Means we don't need to find new staff. Therefore, it saves us a lot in terms of costs. Okay, so that should be enough to cover 2 marks. Maybe any of these 2 points if you write around these. Okay, the next question about environmental responsibility. It says describe ways an organisation has become environmentally responsible. Okay, so during this lesson we've watched some videos about North Face and how they are environmental responsibility, some of the steps that they take to ensure that they have a limited impact on our environment. Okay, see, as a North Face company, that's what they want to do. Their whole product is about being outdoors, so they want to protect the outdoors. Okay, that's part of their values. So what we can do is we can purchase recycled materials, okay, or we can recycle them ourselves. Okay, we can reuse waste from the production line. Okay, so North Face, they make Denali jackets. They're kind of famous Denali jackets. How do they do that? For every 10 that they make, the waste that they use, okay, they recycle that from all their cuttings, and they can make additional 4 jackets. Okay, what does that do? It saves us throwing out waste, because obviously that costs us money for trucks to come and collect that. But also 4 more jackets. Those jackets cost £250. That's stuff that we might be throwing in the bin. So that has actually given us more product to sell, increasing our profits and increasing our reputation at the same time. As well as this, what have they been doing? They've been trying to limit their water use. They've been trying to limit their energy use, their use of chemicals. So therefore, that'll reduce the carbon footprint. What does that do? It helps their reputation, all that kind of good stuff. We can promote that as a company. Okay, what we might do as well, if we're environmentally responsible, is maybe minimise our noise pollution created from our manufacturing process. Okay, so remember, this whole thing about ethics and the environmental thing is we want to be trustworthy and fair on all our stakeholders. That might be our local community, so we might be trying to reduce our impacts on a number of those things. Okay, as well as this, they might use sustainable energy. Okay, e.g. install solar panels or build wind farms. That's something that Mackey's, the crisp producer, okay, they've done that, okay, to try and limit their impact, okay, on CO2 and all other things. And as well as this, they might use less packaging for the products. Okay, looking at how our products are packaged, how can we reduce that? How can we maybe use recycled materials from that? Okay, writing around these 3 things will be enough for our 3 marks.